Hi everyone, welcome to EVs by MH, the channel where I review the latest and greatest electric vehicles from around the world. Today, I'm going to take a look at the Peng G6, a new electric coupe SUV from China that is set to challenge Tesla's Model Y dominance in the global market. The Peng G6 was launched in China in June 2023, and it is expected to arrive in some European countries in 2024. But is it worth buying? Let's find out. Design. The Peng G6 is based on the company's new SCPA 2.0 technology architecture, which supports an 800V electrical system, fast charging, and advanced intelligent driving features. The design of the G6 is inspired by a water droplet, according to Peng's chairman and CEO He Xiaopeng 1. The exterior of the G6 is minimalist and sleek, with a grille-less front end, a heavily angled tailgate, and full-width front and rear lights. The G6 also has flush door handles and an opening spoiler at the lower edge of the body, which improve aerodynamics. The G6 has a drag coefficient of 0.2482, which is slightly higher than the Model Y's 0.233. The G6 comes in two variants, a single-motor rear-wheel drive model and a dual-motor all-wheel drive model. The former has a power output of 296 GP, 221 kilowatts, while the latter has 480 GP, 360 kilowatts. The G6 also offers two battery options, a 66 kWh, 240 mJ iron phosphate, LFP battery, and an 87.5 kWh, 315 mJ lithium-ion battery. The vehicle can reach 100 kilometers in 6.6 seconds in long-range edition and 5.9 seconds for super long-range edition. The LFP battery provides a range of up to 360 miles on the Chinese light-duty passenger car test cycle, CLTC, while the lithium-ion battery extends the range to 469 miles. Peng claims that the G6 can charge up to 300 kilometers of range in 10 minutes, thanks to its 800V system that supports DC charging at up to 480 kilowatts. The top speed is 202 kilometers per hour. The driving range for the long-range edition is 580 kilometers. The super long-range edition give a range of 755 kilometers per hour. Dimensions. The Peng G6 is a mid-size crossover SUV that measures 4,753 mm in length, 1,920 mm in width, and 1,650 mm in height. It has a wheelbase of 2,890 mm, which is just 1 mm shorter than the Tesla Model Y's wheelbase. The G6 can accommodate 5 passengers and has a trunk capacity of 571 liters. The G6 also has a ground clearance of 200 mm, which is higher than the Model Y's 165 mm. Safety. The Peng G6 has not been tested by any official safety rating agencies yet, but it boasts several features that enhance its safety performance. For example, the G6 has an ultra-high-strength steel body structure that can withstand up to 2,000 megapascals of pressure. It also has 8 airbags, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. Moreover, the G6 has a smart battery management system that monitors the battery temperature, voltage, current, and state of charge in real time, and adjusts the cooling and heating accordingly. The G6 also has a fire extinguishing system that can automatically spray fire retardant foam into the battery pack in case of fire or collision. Suspension. The Peng G6 has a four-wheel independent suspension system that consists of McPherson struts at the front and multi-link suspension at the rear. The suspension system is designed to provide a balance between comfort and handling, as well as adapt to different road conditions. The G6 also has an electronic stability control (ESC) system that can adjust the braking force and torque distribution of each wheel to prevent skidding or rollover. Powertrain. The Peng G6 has two powertrain options, a single-motor rear-wheel drive model and a dual-motor all-wheel drive model. The single-motor model uses an AC induction motor that delivers 296 GP, 221 kilowatts, and 420 nanometers of torque. The dual-motor model uses two permanent magnet motors that deliver a combined output of 480 GP, 360 kilowatts, and 660 nanometers of torque. Both models use a single-speed direct drive transmission that provides smooth and instant acceleration. The Peng G6 can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per h in as fast as 4.9 seconds for the dual-motor model and 6.9 seconds for the single-motor model. The top speed of the G6 is 200 km per h for both models. The G6 also has three driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport, which can adjust the power output, steering response, and suspension stiffness according to the driver's preference. OS 3.0. The system supports voice control, navigation, music streaming, online entertainment, and over-the-air updates. The G6 also has a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that displays various information such as speed, battery level, range, and driving mode. The G6 also has a wireless charging pad, a USB-C port, and a 12V socket for charging devices. The G6 offers leather seats with heating and ventilation functions for the front row. The seats are also adjustable in 8 ways for the driver and 4 ways for the passenger. The rear seats can be folded in a 40-20-40 split to increase the cargo space. The G6 also has a smart key that can unlock the doors and start the car without touching it. Technology. The Peng G6 is equipped with the latest version of Peng's XNGP Intelligent Assisted Driving System, which is supported by 31 sensors, including LiDAR, radar, ultrasonic sensors, cameras, and dual Orin X microchips. The system can provide Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities in regions with high-precision mapping and where the regulatory framework allows. Some of the functions that the system can perform are intelligent obstacle avoidance. The system can detect obstacles on the road and avoid them by changing lanes or braking safely. Traffic light recognition. The system can recognize traffic lights and signs and act accordingly by stopping or accelerating. Automated lane changing overtaking. The system can execute lane changes and overtaking maneuvers smoothly and safely by using the turn signal and checking the blind spots. Augmented reality navigation. The system can project navigation instructions on the windshield using augmented reality technology to enhance the driver's awareness and convenience. Prices. The Peng G6 is priced from RMB 209,900 $22,900 for the base single-motor rear-wheel drive model with the LFP battery to RMB 276,900 $30,200 for the top dual-motor all-wheel drive model with the lithium-ion battery in China. The prices include subsidies from the Chinese government. The prices for other markets have not been announced yet. And an advanced intelligent driving system. It is a strong contender for Tesla's Model Y in China and potentially in other markets as well. However, it still faces some challenges such as competition from other Chinese EV makers, regulatory uncertainties for autonomous driving, and customer acceptance in foreign markets. Overall, the Peng G6 is a car worth considering if you are looking for a smart and stylish electric SUV. That's it for today's review of the Peng G6. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more EV reviews. Thank you for watching and see you next time on EVs by MH.